Basically, stage 5 come with dual compression adjustment, low speed, which is a little knob, high speed, the big knob. We got also the rebound. We got multiple spring setup depending on the kind of sled you've got. We will adapt the spring setup depending if you're doing trail riding, backcountry, powder riding, etc. So it's based on testing. So it goes for that. We got the aluminum body also. And the main thing about our stage 5 shock is the high flow, internal high flow. Basically, we increased the oil passage by about 4 times compared to our stage 4 that used to be our technology. So this is the lightweight shock with way more flow. And like I was saying, the high speed and low speed compression is completely independent one of the other. So that enables you to have a very sharp fine-tuning ability. So depending if you're looking for more cornering, less body roll, you want to have less feedback from your front hand of your sled or the back sled, because we do stage 5 for fronts, for center shock and back shock in some application, not all of them. So this is the high-end shock. This is what we're pushing. We introduced the new line of snowmobile a year ago. This year is mainly the focus of the company is going wild and pushing the product.
Now, I have a custom suspension on my snowmobile. I have an Easy Ride. Are you familiar with Easy Ride? Okay, do you have something that I could probably fit to that? Do you make custom shocks?
Yeah, we can do, basically we customize, you're able to make almost any shocks. We started with basically the biggest seller for sure, sorry to develop all of them. But if somebody comes in and say, okay, I've got a special application, we call it a special order form. We send them a special order form. They're able to build and then give us the spec of the ride dimension. It's pretty straightforward. Extended length, compressed length, a couple of measurements that my engineer, basically they send you a drawing. You just fill the gap, and we're able with that to come up with a shock with the right extended compressed length, and we're able to calculate the motion ratio and hook you up with a shock that will be, I would say, 75 to 80% on the ball. After that, you need to fine-tune everything. So spring and valving will be adapted to your ride, and after that, if you're able to adjust with the compression and the rebound. If by any chance something is still wrong, let's say the spring rate is too heavy, too soft, we'll be able to help you out. We got a 30-day satisfaction warranty, so anything goes wrong or you're not fully satisfied, you call us, and basically we'll swap spring. We'll try to start a swapping spring, and if it doesn't work, then with your feedback, we'll be able to change the valving.
What size of shaft do you have in?
16 millimeter. 5/8 shaft is 5/8.
Well, we've already contacted Elka, and we're going to go to the facility and see how they actually make these shocks and set everything up, and they're going to answer a bunch of questions for us that you viewers might have. So if you want to know anything about shocks, ask me based on this video, and then we'll ask them when we see them.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks very much, Marc.
Thank you.
Much appreciated.